Hey kids, welcome to Junior's Earth, and today I'm gonna show you how to draw a cute and funny frog. So firstly, you have to draw the frog's eyes. Normally, frogs has big eyes. And here's his jaw and a big smiley mouth. These are the frog's hands. And these are his legs. The frog is sitting on a big lotus leaf. So our drawing is done. Let's collate. We need just two colors, green and green. Haha. Seems funny, isn't it? But keep watching the video and then you will find out how I'm using two colors. Wow! Our frog's body is colored with a light green. And now just take a look. I have two green colors. One is lighter that I have used for the frog's whole body, and the rest is darker green. And now I'm using the darker green color for the leaf. And this is how you can draw a frog within a very short time.